Low pressure is in charge once again. More wind, more rain for most of us. Little sleet and snow over the hills. Only towards the end of the week, into the weekend really, do we see a hint of something more settled coming in. A ridge of high pressure, of course, that'll bring nighttime frost back. But far from settled so far today. We've had well over an inch of rain in Capel Curig in Gwynedd, and you can see just how extensive that rain is currently on the radar picture here. Some bright echoes, some very heavy downpours currently, and ahead of that weather front we've still got a few hours, I think, of significant snowfall in northern Scotland and the Northern Isles, gale force winds to go with it. But that rain should clear for central parts for a time. The skies brighten already, they have for Northern Ireland. A few showers following, but never really clearing from the south. And as you'd expect, with a windy and wet day for most, temperatures fairly academic. Now, we do rid ourselves of that rain for a time this evening, but not for long. We're not out of the woods. The next batch of rain comes back in right across England and Wales, Northern Ireland, southern Scotland tonight, even a little slow over the hills, say in northern England, Pennines, I think in particular, and Cumbria. But let me take the rain away and run that sequence again, because I think more significantly the problem will be with winds tonight. That deepening area of low pressure as it crosses England and Wales to the south of it will give gales or severe gales even across the land, and that's prompted the Met Office to issue a severe weather warning, an early weather warning anyway, for severe gales, damaging gusts of wind, the possibility of some uprooting of trees and structural damage, as well as further heavy rain which could just exacerbate the flood problem. So the strongest winds likely, as I say, across England and Wales. And once it's finished with us, that low pressure will be felt across Germany through tomorrow and then across many parts of Scandinavia into Wednesday. So the rush hour tomorrow morning in the south and east could be a pretty nasty affair. Still very gusty winds, 75 miles an hour around the coast and hills. Still some wet weather to come as well. Once that clears away, the winds will gradually ease, I think, but for most of us it's a day of sunshine and blustery showers and squally winds. So temperatures again feeling fairly academic. It's not going to feel particularly warm despite temperatures above average. Now come Wednesday we start to see a low pressure moving in across northern Scotland. So Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England, a spell of very windy weather, and the showers just about anywhere could be quite wintry. And we continue with the theme of sunshine and showers as we head towards the middle of the week. They could be a little bit wintry, not just on the hills, even at lower levels in the north, and then later in the week into the weekend